Here's how to completely uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud on Windows 11. Normally, you can uninstall an application by opening the Start menu, searching for Add or Remove Programs, and opening it. From here, find Adobe Creative Cloud. Once found, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. However, if the normal uninstall process isn't working, you'll need to use Adobe's official removal tool. To do this, open your web browser and visit the Adobe website. I'll leave the link to the official download page in the video description. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the Uninstall section and download the removal tool to your Windows computer. After the zip file has finished downloading, open it and double-click on it to extract it. Choose where you want to save the extracted files. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and double-click the removal tool. Follow the instructions on the screen to completely remove Adobe Creative Cloud from your computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.